Now to Chloe Baker outside the family court for the latest on the international custody fight over 4 sisters. And Chloe, a judge has refused to hear the case until the mother hands over her children.
Georgie, that is the situation right now, and we spoke to the girl's mother a short time ago. As you can imagine, she's extremely upset, but she says more than anything now she's angry and frustrated because she just wants her little girls to be heard. Here's a little bit of what she had to say.
Once again, justice has not been served as far as I'm concerned. My case has been dismissed completely, which means the girls have not had a chance to intervene, which means their voice remains unheard still. It seems for the moment that there is nothing that they can do to be heard.
So the judge said he won't hear her case unless she's no longer in contempt, and that will only happen if she hands over the 4 girls to an officer of the Department of Child Safety, which of course she says she won't be doing. But the judge went further to say he made his order in this case originally because the girls were born in Italy. They've lived there their entire lives until now, and they speak very little English. He also said that he believes they're now in hiding due to adult intervention and assistance.
The Sunshine Coast mother was to hand over her 4 daughters at the Brisbane International Airport by midnight. She arrived without them.
The orders were very vague. They simply said I needed to present the children within 12:01 a.m. I am within the deadline.
Since a holiday to visit her family here 2 years ago, she's been seeking to keep the dual Australian-Italian citizens in the country permanently. But a family court ordered the girls be returned to Italy with their father.
I'm unable to hand over the children. I don't know about their whereabouts.
This morning, her barrister made an application to discharge the return order.
She's a mess. What can you expect? She's got 4 little children. She's frightened. She knows that they'll be anxious. They haven't seen their mum for a couple of days.
But the judge questioned why he should hear the argument when the mother was in contempt. Is it the case that only if I make orders that satisfy your client, the children will come out of hiding? The Department of Child Safety argued that no one official had been able to interview the girls. There is no independent evidence that these children won't just hop on a plane.
The girl's Italian father sat in the back of the courtroom, and with the help of a translator, he heard the judge recount how, on a previous occasion, his youngest daughter had told a psychologist she wanted to return home to Italy.
Legal counsel for the girls' family told the court they will come out of hiding if the judge agrees to hear from them.
So the girls' grandmother, great-grandmother and great-aunt will be back in court here on Friday afternoon. They've been summoned to give evidence and will be cross-examined under oath over their knowledge of where these little girls are now hiding.